Mummy, she put a lot of sticky tape. What is it, James?
I don't know yet. We'll put the garden there.
Is that for you?
Is it?
Is it for you?
Yes.
You sure?
Does it
Yes.
say your name on it?
Yeah.
You sure?
I can't see it. Where's my name? It's on here.
No, you won't need the scissors now. Go on. Shoes.
Chocolate.
What?
Chocolate!
Oh, be careful, it might be
Whoa.
that chocolate. So,
Always open the card first.
yeah, wait for the car.
Wow.
Yeah,
What?
put it in the
Mm.
fridge.
Yeah, not just now.
That
for me.
is.
Open the card first. James.
There's a name on it.
Isabella.
Oh, Mammy thought about you.
I think it's Isabella.
That's James. So can I like?
Is this a song? How do you open it? It doesn't open. What's the singing one?
You got a singing one.
That's singing.
That's from Grandmammy, James, the singing one. Jamesy, the singing one's from Grandmammy. Says, Dear James, I think of you very often and I love you. Tell me what you'd like to receive for a gift from Canada. And if I'm able to, I'll send it with pleasure. Kiss you, with love, Grandmammy. Oh,
Money?
oh, that's from Janice, darling. You're mixing up the presents now.
Oh, that Isabella had that card.
Okay, that's from Janice, that one. The singing one's from Grandmammy.
But that's mine.
Alright, keep going.
I'm opening this Lego. 'Cause I love it.
How do you know it's Lego?
Because it is the one I wanted.
Get out of town.
It is so.
No, no, no.
Ugly.
Excellent. What do you say?
Thank you.
Ah, the plane. Alright, more?
Can I print this one? More to go. Can I print this one? No, 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 no.
No, no, leave it. It's his birthday, darling.
No Lego. This Lego.
Racing car. Wow. It's a racing car.
And this, I hope this is a shirt.
Oh, wow.
That is great.
That is great, isn't it? Oh, that is awesome, James.
That would fit me.
Yeah.
What do you say? Thank you, Mummy, Pappy, and Grandmammy. Kiss, kiss. Love you. What do you say?
Love you.
Okay, Isa. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Hey, I'll tell you what.